Did you know one of the best amazing ways to use bee pollen topically is to make a cream? And this is what we're going to talk about in today's video, how to make your own bee pollen cream using natural, simple ingredients. Now, bee pollen cream is a wonderful beauty concoction that has incredible properties because it is a superfood, but it has incredible nourishing and anti-aging properties for the skin. We're going to cover how to use it, how to make it, as well as its benefits and what skin type is it best suitable for. So bee pollen cream is a wonderful skincare product. It is infused with the nutrient-rich goodness of bee pollen, and as we have already mentioned in the previous video, that bee pollen is derived from the male reproductive spores of flowering plants. Bee pollen is a powerhouse when it comes to vitamins, minerals, proteins, and antioxidants. So when incorporated into a cream, it becomes a nourishing and revitalizing elixir for the skin. Now, it has numerous benefits for the skin, 5 benefits to be exact. First of all, it is wonderful for skin nourishment. Now, bee pollen cream delivers a potent dose of vitamins and minerals and enzymes directly to the skin, promoting nourishment and a healthy complexion. The second benefit is its anti-aging properties because it is packed with antioxidants. It helps to combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Thirdly, it is amazing for the hydration because the cream's emollient properties provides deep nourishment, making it suitable for individuals with dry and sensitive dehydrated skin. And fourthly, amazing for its anti-inflammatory action because it possesses natural anti-inflammatory compounds, aiding in calming irritated and sensitive skin, so perfect for anyone who has rosacea or psoriasis or eczema. And lastly, it is wonderful for its brightening effects because regular use can contribute to a brighter complexion and an even skin tone. Who can benefit from a bee pollen cream? Well, to be honest, it is suitable for all skin types because it's natural, it's gentle and effective. Also, those seeking anti-aging solutions, this is the cream for you because it has wonderful anti-aging compounds and it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it is antioxidant rich. So anyone who has dry and dehydrated skin, this cream is also for you. Now, if you struggle with dry dehydrated skin, bee pollen cream will give you the moisture that you need. If you also have sensitive skin, this wonderful cream is filled with anti-inflammatory properties which will really give you the soothing benefits that your skin needs, and also perfect with anyone who having skin conditions such as psoriasis, rosacea and eczema because it really helps to nourish the skin and it helps to regenerate skin cells as well. Now, let's talk about how to make it at home. So all you would need is 2 tablespoons of beeswax, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of bee pollen, which is preferably finely ground, and 10 drops of your preferred essential oil. So it could be German chamomile, it could be lavender, it could be frankincense as well. All of these oils are wonderful for the skin and mostly to do with anti-aging and sensitive skin as well. So you can substitute the coconut oil with whatever carrier oil of your choice. You can substitute the shea butter for cacao butter as well. And the essential oils, I said, they are optional. They just add in that extra benefit. So I want you to double boil or melt the beeswax, coconut oil and shea butter together until they are fully combined. Then you can remove them from the heat and let them cool slightly. Then you will add the finely ground bee pollen to the mixture, stir as well. You allow the mixture to cool further before adding your chosen essential oil. The mixture needs to be lukewarm or preferably cold. So then you would whip the mixture using a hand mixer until it reaches a creamy consistency. And now is the time to transfer the cream to a clean airtight container, and I'll be making a step-by-step detailed tutorial on how to make bee pollen cream at home in the upcoming videos. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.